So what was my biggest mistake? Well, can I borrow that pad there? So real quick. So let's just say own the stage is here. So my writing's horrible. Let's just say, here's you are now and you want to get to owning the stage. The biggest mistake that I made is I worked really hard in the wrong direction. I worked really hard. I didn't get training early enough. So I was doing stage time everywhere I could, but I wasn't actually working on those 4 skills that I talked about because I didn't know any better. So if I was to correct that now, I think direction is most important. Not only direction, but aiming, taking your time and focused energy and effort and being trained and then getting on stage and actually putting those principles into place. So it becomes internal to you, it becomes a part of you. And then the second thing that I didn't do right was, even though we might have direction, we're all over. We need somebody to correct us. We need coaching. Because even though we might get some good training, we bring our past with us. And I really needed Mark's coaching to kind of no, this way, no, this way, no, this way. This is what I meant. So we really need direction and correction because I worked really hard in the wrong direction. If I had gotten coaching and direction early on in my career, who knows where I would be right now. It would be pretty awesome. But I'm thankful I got it when I did, and it's never too soon to get world-class coaching.